Okay, what we're going to do today is you're going to have to create a picture of you with a famous person. We're going to use the, we're going to still use the magnetic tool, but I want to talk a little bit about it today. So, in the magnetic tool, you have three different selections up here. You have one that is, if you just let it sit, new selection, add to selection, subtract. We are going to use these three. So, and you'll notice it if you ever make a mistake. So we'll go around me here. It'll get a little hard for it in through here because it can't quite reach it. And that's okay. You can see how it messed up. So as I go around, I made that selection. Now, normally that would be it. If I click here and click add to selection, and I'm just going to add to this selection down here. And now it added to that. So I'm going to copy myself out of there. Oops. I'm just going to paste myself in here. Alright, so I move myself wherever here, and if we look at it, we can see that there's a couple of messed up parts. And how you fix those is you're going to use the magic wand again, but I'm going to go up here and I want to subtract it. So on these, you want them to be zoomed in pretty good to do so. There's my little, and all you do, same thing. There you go, and then if you want, whoops, you can delete that. Okay, so, whoops, I messed up there. So if we're looking at this, I want you to create a picture. Whoops, I got a stupid tool there for a second. I'd like you to create a picture of yourself with a famous person somehow. So if you need to take a picture in the hallway of yourself to bring it in, that's fine, but I want to see what you can create. It doesn't necessarily have to be football. Like if this is me, I'd pretend I'm like trying to jump up to try to hit the ball, but I didn't have time to make it. So again, assignment is I'd like you to try to use some of those. I just want to show you those magic wand features where you can do new selection, add to selection, and subtract. So you take out your cell phones, take a picture of yourself, import it in on the computer, and then create something, whichever backdrop you have, with you with some type of famous person or celebrity. Okay, that's the assignment